So we had that really big flood where we got 5 feet of water and it went over the dam, and it's supposed to look like this. But instead it looks like this. The water was so powerful that it pushed a ton of material away and has created massive holes. The biggest of these being maybe 15 feet deep. Obviously, this is a very big problem, so we'll be spending the next couple weeks/months fixing this. First step is pumping out enough water that we can safely work on the dam without it rupturing.